With structural glazing, it's a very challenging application. It requires a lot of quality control, and it's a big deal because these are going up on 70, 80-story buildings. A piece of glass comes off of there. We're talking about somebody on the ground that's going to die.
One of the most important aspects of a building is the building envelope, and it's so critical.
Glazing is one of those industries that there's never really been one body that everybody looks at to determine whether somebody is qualified to be a glazer or not.
We're working towards building a certification for craft worker to quantify the ability of our glazers to install products properly for the building.
If we can do a better job of training the glazer now, it will eliminate an awful lot of field support when systems aren't performing as designed.
People that have been in the industry for a little while can get some recognition, as well as maybe give the newer people coming into the industry something to strive for.
The test will have two elements. One will be a written exam, which can be taken at numerous locations throughout the country. There'll be multiple physical test rigs that can be transported to different areas of the country where applicants can then come to take the test.
And the three different areas that we're going to be working with is going to be curtain wall, storefront, and doors.
It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be a test where everybody can pass. So, if you're certified, it's going to be really a mark of the quality of the work that you do and the knowledge that you have.
The program is being developed as an ANSI accredited program. ANSI is really important because we want this program to be accepted by the design and construction community as a whole, and having that ANSI accreditation really gives the end users the confidence that it is truly an industry certification.
The number of people who have volunteered as industry experts to be a part of this effort, I think really speaks to the need for this program. We have 29 people in our steering committees. We can see that there's a groundswell of support.
I think it's going to raise the bar. It makes it better for all of us, all the design professionals, the contractors, the manufacturers, that they can build that level of confidence that their buildings are being erected by a workforce that has proven competency.
I really am humbled by the fact that this is something that we're setting the groundwork for that will go on for generations of glazers to come.
I'm a real proponent of education, that we never get enough of it. We're never too smart to learn and we're never too old to learn. So that's kind of some of the things I think we want to pass on through this effort.
Gives them the kudos that they deserve to be able to say that they are a true craftsperson.
They're able to claim that, look, I went and took this certification, I achieved this certification by doing the right things in the right way. And to my fellow glazers and colleagues, you too should aspire to such a level of performance.
It's a good thing for the industry because the owner of the building is more likely to get the facade that he deserves.
The glazing trade is not just a job, it's a career, and I think the certification will just make it that much better.
To be involved in a program like this is really probably the highlight of my professional career, because I believe this certification is going to be the biggest thing in the glazing industry for both the workforce and our contractors to be able to really set themselves apart, create a competitive edge in the industry, and make a difference on the end product. Everybody wins.